As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, so I'm looking at these two Char-Broil portable grills, the Grill2Go X200, BOO-BFPM-LI8, and the tabletop B00TAT2PV4. Which one's better for, like a camping trip?
Good question. Let's dive in. The Grill2Go X200 has a 200 square inch cooking surface, whereas the tabletop only has 190. So slightly more grilling space with the X200.
Okay, that's good to know. What about the burner power?
The tabletop has an 11,000 BTU burner, while the Grill2Go X200 has a 9,500 BTU burner. So the tabletop might heat up a bit faster.
Interesting. So more power, but less cooking area. What about portability itself? I need something easy to lug around.
Well, the Grill2Go X200 weighs 20 pounds, and the dimensions are 23.7 x 15 inches x 13.6. The tabletop's listed as 0.01 ounces, which is obviously wrong, but its dimensions are 5.25 inches x 18.25 inches x 12.5. The Grill2Go X200 has carry handles and a latching lid. The tabletop has folding legs that secure to the top. The X200 looks a little more rugged.
Okay, so the X200 sounds a bit sturdier, and the tabletop more compact maybe?
Yeah, that's a fair assessment. And the Grill2Go X200 has Charbroil's TRU-Infrared cooking system, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook food more evenly. The tabletop doesn't seem to have that.
Oh, that's a plus for the X200. I hate flare-ups. What about the grates? Are they easy to clean?
The Grill2Go X200 has stainless steel grates that are supposed to be easy to clean. The tabletop has chrome-plated grates, which are also dishwasher safe.
Okay, so both are fairly easy to clean then. What about price? Is one significantly cheaper than the other?
The Grill2Go X200 is listed at $147.97. The tabletop isn't available directly from Amazon right now, but other sellers have it around $58 to $70, so a fair amount cheaper.
Okay, so the tabletop's easier on the wallet. It's a tough call. More cooking space and better cooking tech in the X200, but more BTU and cheaper for the tabletop.
It depends what you value more. If you're cooking for a crowd or want less flare-ups, go with the Grill2Go. If you're budget conscious and just need something small for a couple of people, the tabletop might be better.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.